Hey everyone, it is Monday, and on this rainy Monday evening, I remembered it is Musical Theater Monday. And I just finished up at the gym, and I am sitting in the car. And I just thought, you know what, why don't I just sing in the car today for Musical Theater Monday while it's raining. And I'm going to sing A Little Fall of Rain from Les Mis because it is raining. And because it is raining, I'm feeling inspired. So, yeah. Don't you fret, Monsieur Marius. I don't feel any pain. A little fall of rain can hardly hurt me now. You're here. That's all I need to know. And you will keep me safe. And you will keep me close. And rain will make the flowers grow. Just hold me now and let it be. Shelter me, comfort me. Rain can't hurt me now. This rain will wash away what's past, and you will keep me safe, and you will keep me close. I'll sleep in your embrace at last. The rain that brings you here is heaven blessed. The skies begin to clear, and I'm at rest. A breath away from where you are. I've come home from so far. So don't you fret, Monsieur Marius. I don't feel any pain. A little fall of rain can hardly hurt me now. That's all I need to know. And you will keep me safe. And you will keep me close. And rain will make the flowers. Yeah, so I'm only doing one take of this because it is Monday, it is raining, and I should probably go home. But yeah, that was it. Thank you so much. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe, comment, and all the YouTube things. And yeah, I just did an ab workout, so my core is burning, and I just did my double workout by singing today because singing is a lot of ab work, which a lot of people don't know. So yeah, that's all I have to say. Now I'm rambling. So thank you so much. See you next time. Bye!